What's up guys, it's Catfish Wrangler. We're going to be doing some bass fishing today. I'll be using my Lazier TX5 bait casting combo with a ARC libless crankbait. And I also have a chatterbait over there, but I don't know if I'll be using that today. But we have a lot of cows here at this place we're at. There's two right now here. I think they're just drinking. It's really cold right now, so I don't think they'd be swimming in it. Gotta get this. So, let's make the first cast. Got some vegetation here. I think there's multiple types of vegetation in this water. Most of it is this like weird grass stuff. But then there's also some, what I call green hairweed. It just looks like green hair, kind of. That's what I've nicknamed it, but got one. First one of the day. Oh, he came off. Dang it. First bite of the day. I saw him in the water. This water's pretty clear for where we are right now. That's a good fish. I think it was about a pound. But nice. This guy just snuck up behind me. I don't think he's gonna hurt me. Or I hope not. That'd be bad. Got one. Second cast. Or not second cast, but first cast after that one. There you go. There's our fish right there. He's bleeding a little bit, but I think he's gonna be okay. It was just the way I hooked him is in a spot where like the tongue is kinda, and sometimes he'll bleed like that, but he's okay. Watch, he'll swim off fine. This is a little shallow right here, so I'm gonna have to throw him. See, look, he swam off fine. There he goes. Cool. Good fish, guys. Maybe if the rain starts thumping, maybe it'll wake him up a little bit. Yeah, this pond, this part of the pond is way too shallow. Gotta move. I'm gonna try one more thing because I can kind of see the water way over there. Okay, let's get all the weeds off before we go. Okay. Alright guys, I'll see you guys in the afternoon. This spot kind of died down this morning, so maybe they get hungrier in the afternoon. So see you guys here in a little bit. So the sun came out. It was about 2 o'clock and pond's looking good. There's some geese that just flew over. So let's see if they're biting now. Got one. It's a good one. It's a little guy though. Oh yeah, he's little. You're on? Yep. Okay. This guy barely got hooked by the lipless crankbait. Nice little guy. If I get this out without hooking myself. There we go. Okay. Got that out. Nice little guy. He's got really, really dark patterns on him. So, caught him in the shallow area. I think I'll be able to. Oh, whoa. There he goes. Nice fish, guys. Might actually get sunburned today. It's so hot. Got one. Oh my gosh, this guy's pulling. Oh, he's little. I don't even know how that thing was fighting. Another little guy hooked on both trebles. He wasn't going nowhere. This guy's gonna be pretty easy to get out. Yep. There's another nice little bass right there. Again, really dark, cool patterns. Healthy little guy. I wish these things in here would get bigger. Really, they don't. It's kind of sad how I have to throw them in like that because I can't get too close or I'll just sink in the mud. But, nice fish. I can hardly see. Got him. This guy's a little feisty. Okay. Nice. Well, guys, seems like they're biting the lipless crankbait. It's cool. Alright guys, so it's actually real late afternoon now, and we got some cows right here, so it'll be okay though. Got one. Oh. Do I have one? Oh, I do have one. He's caught in a bunch of grass. No. This one right here is a fish salad. Got all that grass. Well guys, it's getting late and we need to start walking back. So thank you guys for watching the video. This was a great day of fishing, even though really didn't catch any big ones. This pond really doesn't produce any big ones due to how packed it is usually and how much they're caught. But and also it's a farm pond, so usually there's big fish in farm ponds, but this one just really doesn't prevail. Usually just gets 1 to 2 pounders if you're lucky, and then like 0.5 to a pound usually. So we did a good job on the lipless crankbait. Didn't get any on the chatterbait though. So, alright guys, see you guys next time.